Well, good morning. I'm Steve Jones. It's July 25th, about 9:22 a.m. at my Madison, Alabama home. And the rain is really accenting the spider webs in the Cryptomeria. There must be 100 different spider webs. It's an active ecosystem here in suburbia, in North Alabama. I'm fascinated by the variety and the versatility and ingenuity of our insect arachnidia neighbors here in this part of the world. See if I can get a closer look. A grand morning with rain coming down. Suppose if I had outdoor plans today, this would interfere.